AI is simpler than the NYC subway map. Hi, I'm Marat. I'm 59. For 3 years, I've been studying AI. Here, I show how to become a Gen X winner in New York. We, Generation X, with our massive life experience, are being left on the sideline. And all because we think technology is hard. They are turning us into Gen X losers, and we are letting them. We are afraid of this tech. Everyone is playing on our fear and making money of it. I spent 3 years and over $3,000 fighting that fear. Watch my AI assistant, Chat Zero, tell that story. The link will be at the end of this video. We are afraid of AI because that's how they sell it to us. But it's a lie. AI is the simplest technology ever. People selling expensive AI courses want it to stay that way. We are the wealthiest generation, and everyone wants a piece of our pockets. Friends, I'm telling you from experience, AI is simpler a TV remote. AARP and Senior Planet offer free courses, but they miss the main point. AI is simple. If you've taken those classes, you know how complicated they make it sound. In reality, you only need to know one secret. Once you know it, you can use AI for anything at work or in the daily life. All those expensive courses I paid for, they can be boiled down to one simple formula. I've derived this formula myself. Now anyone can buy my book on Amazon for $5 and master any AI. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can even read it for free. I don't want to be a coach, but I want every expert to know AI is that simple. Don't be a Gen X loser. Be a Gen X winner. Share this video with our friends. Let our generation know AI is a piece of cake. We have what the children and the AI don't have, our life experience. You can turn your experience into money. You only need 2 steps. Step 1. Take a Senior Planet course just to get AI onto your phone or tablet. Step 2. Get the grand secret of AI for $5. Yes, friends, the price of your AI fear is only $5. Just think about how much you can make by selling your experience through AI. Your personal secret pie recipe, a handmade sweater, or even knowing how to drive a taxi in NYC, all of this can be sold using AI. Once you know how to manage AI, you will manage your own finances and taxes. It kills me to see my generation terrified of super intelligence. Stop being afraid. Find out for yourself and tell your friends. AI is simple. $5 to stop being afraid. $5 to become a Gen X winner.